You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? More music vocabulary here. Chopin. Chopin is how it's said in French. Chopin. Two different pronunciations for the second word. In English, etude. Etude, or the more American US pronunciation, etude, because it comes from French étude, étude, Chopin, Chopin Etude, or Chopin Etude. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.